Hey there, today we're going to work on lesson 4.8, multiplication with regrouping. We're going to keep it old school, just like your parents know how to do. Today we're going to learn the algorithm for multiplying with regrouping. Okay, so I'm going to share my handy dandy whiteboard with you. And let's review a little bit what we learned the other day before we move on. So the other day we were working on 32 times 3. And when we did that with the algorithm, remember we have to write it vertically if we want to use the algorithm. We multiplied this column first. 2 times 3 is 6. And then what? Then we multiplied diagonally. So 3 times 3 was 9. Because really that's 30 times 3 is 90. So that's what we did the other day. That is the algorithm. And we're going to do the same thing with the algorithm, but this time we're going to have larger numbers. So let's start with 54 times 4. And yes, you're right. We're going to write this vertically. Okay, so 54 times 4. First, we're going to multiply the ones place. And 4 times 4 is 16. But just like in addition, we can't write that 1 down there. We have to carry the 1, which is really a 10, up here to the tens place. Otherwise, there won't be room down here for my answer. Okay, now just like the algorithm that we did the other day, we're going to multiply diagonally. So we're going to do 5 times 4 is 20. Oh, but wait, we forgot about this one up here. And we're actually going to add this. So we're going to multiply these numbers, add the top number, because we have to add it in what was left over from the ones place. So really, this is going to be 21. So 5 times 4 equals 216. Okay? Why don't you pick up your marker and let's do one together. That was the I do. Let's do the we do. All right, this next one I'm going to have you do is 27 times 6. All right, 27 times 6. Well, first let's work in the ones column. So we're going to multiply here. 7 times 6 is 42. We put the 2 down here, and we're going to carry the 4 up top just like we would do if this were addition. Now we're going to multiply. Oh, that orange isn't much brighter than the green. We're going to multiply diagonally. So 2 times 6 is 12. And remember, we have to add this top number. So 12 plus 4, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Our answer is 162. Okay, let's try another one. Let's do another we do. Let's do one together. All right, our next one's going to be 35 times 3. Go ahead and write that on your whiteboard. 35 times 3. Okay, first we're going to multiply our ones column. So 5 times 3 is 15. Carry the 1. Now we do the diagonal multiplication. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So our answer is 105. Yeah, are you getting it? You want to do another we do? Let's do another we do. All right, how about 18 times 3? All right, first we're going to go ahead and write that down. Write that one down, and then we're going to multiply our ones place. 18 times 3. So 8 times 3, 24. Good. We put the 4 here. We're going to carry the 2. Now we're going to multiply side or diagonally here. 1 times 3 is 3, but don't forget about this guy up here. Plus 2, 3, 4, 5, 54. Yeah? All right. Okay, how about a you do? You ready for a you do? Let's do a you do. I'm going to give you 64 times 3. Go ahead and pause this video, do it on your own, then press play when you're ready to check your answer. You got this. All right, here we go. So we're going to multiply the ones place first. 4 times 3 is 12. We'll put the 2 here and we'll carry that 1 up top. Now we're going to multiply diagonally. 6, which is really 60, times 3 is 18. Well, 180. 18. But wait a minute. Don't forget about this guy. Plus 1. So 18 plus 1 is 19. But see how it's really 190 because it was multiplied by the tens place? Did you get it right? Good work. Even if you didn't get it right, you tried your best. And that's what's important. Let's do 83 times 4. This is another you do. So write this down, pause the video, work it out, and then come back to me and see if you got it right. All right, here we go. 3 times 4 is 12. Now, 8 times 4 is 32. Plus 1 is 33. And my answer is 332. How'd you do? Yeah? All right. Okay, take out your math book. And we're going to turn to page, keeping it old school, turn to page 242. I think it's 242. 242. Let's do these together. Hit pause. Go open your book. When you're ready, come back. Hit play. All right, so number 1, page 242. 3 times 4 is 12. We're going to carry that 1 up top. Now 2 times 4 is 8. Plus 1, don't forget the plus 1 up here. Oh, plus 1 is 9. 92. All right, let's do number 2 together. Multiply the ones place. 2 times 6 is 12. Put the 1 up top. 6 times 4, 24 plus 1, 25. 200. Whoa, that 2 got away from me. 252. Good. You know what? In your math book, I don't want you to worry about this part. I don't want you to worry about that today. When it comes to your independent practice, if it asks you to give an estimate, I don't want you to do that today. Okay, so right now, friends, you know what to do. You're going to go to Schoology, check out and see what your assignment is, complete your workbook pages. If you have trouble, come back to me live, and then do your exit ticket. Do your exit ticket. And then I'll see you when I see you. Good luck, friends. You got this.